Hank, how was your first night? You slept like a freaking baby, didn't ya? It was cold, and there was air, and it was quiet. Yeah. And I didn't sleep at all. I about froze to death. And my hips feel bruised. So lesson learned, use the sleeping bag. Use more padding. Now we're cooking breakfast, huh? Water is boiling. Having instant oatmeal and coffee. I'm gonna try and make coffee. And you already ate your breakfast, huh, baby? Yeah? I'll share mine. Love you, bye. Making coffee. Trying to. And over here, oatmeal is brewing. What are you? So, Hank, we were gonna stay here another night, but I just found a tick crawling on me, and then I saw that one is already bitten me and is embedded. And there's one on my back that's already got me too. So we gonna hightail it out of here? Huh? Yeah. I don't know where we're going, but too many ticks. So gross. That little brown dot right there is a little mother effing tick. He's already in me. I have to get this sucker out with. Good night, my baby. It's day 2, May 1st. We're in a inn, Stone Mountain, Georgia, because we had to come take a shower and get the ticks off us, huh, Hanky? Tick count is me 4, you 1. Oh. Good night, Bubba. Sleep well.